This weather report proudly brought to you by Mortein Nature Guard Automatic Odorless for continuous odorless protection.
Good evening. Well, if you're going to go to the cricket tomorrow, don't forget your poncho. The rain is moving in overnight. As you can see on the radar, there are some storms heading our way too. Nothing too severe, but there might be a bit of thunder around with rain right throughout the evening and into the morning. It's due to that cloud band that's slowly been creeping across to the southeast. It's still over much of central Queensland too, bringing heavy rain and a few storms. An upper trough is also continuing to move east, reaching the southeast of the state tomorrow. That's going to bring a cool change and storms. A high is also clearing the southwest of the country. Taking a look at our capital cities, a shower or two in Sydney tomorrow, a top of 20 there. Canberra will drop to just 3 degrees overnight, warming up to 21. Melbourne becoming dry, a top of 20, 9 to 26 in Adelaide, 12 to 25 in Perth, and showers or a storm in Darwin. Back to Queensland, and we're in for a morning shower in Townsville there, a top of 21 to 30, 19 to 29 in Mackay, and a top of 25 in Bundaberg. Rain and thunder in the southeast tomorrow. We're looking at a top of 19 in Toowoomba and a top of 22 for Ipswich and the Gold and Sunshine Coasts. The swell is on the rise. It'll get to about 1.5 metres by tomorrow. For board riders, head to the point breaks on the southern end of the Goldie or the southern protected pockets on the Sunshine Coast. For swimmers, conditions have been dangerous close to shore, so check with lifeguards before you go in. There's a strong wind warning from Fraser right down to the border, with winds shifting to south-southeasterlies reaching up to 30 knots tomorrow. And in Brisbane tomorrow, rain unfortunately, 19 to 22 degrees. Let's take a look at the outlook now. From Sunday, we're going to see that rain clearing with a more stable pattern coming into play, and we're going to see temperatures warm up there to about 32 degrees. So some good weather on the way. It's really just tomorrow that we'll start to see some good rainfall. Most of it will be very early in the morning, but I think it will be most welcomed by, well, most of us, maybe just not those heading along to the Gabba tomorrow, guys.
Well, we certainly need it for our dry gardens. Thank you, Tegan. Have a good weekend.
Thanks, Tegan.
But that is 10 News for now. Thanks so much for joining us this evening.
Stay with us. So here's the project.
Good night.